Here is how you can set a very simple pattern. This is a base pattern. This is what it sounds like. Okay, now I'm going to copy and paste that pattern. Now notice I have two measures here. This is the first measure. This is the second measure. This is the third measure. Once I copy this and then come here and paste it, it will automatically add the other measure that I will need for this. Or you can go here to measure, since this is highlighted, and then just add another measure. Oh, I have my highlight in the wrong place. If that happens to you, this button here, or Command Z if you're on a Mac, or Control Z if you're on a PC, you can click on it and undo any changes that you've made. You undo, you redo. All right, so this is where my highlight is. See the little bulb? Make sure the little teardrop, always know where that is. I'm going to put it there, and I'm going to hold my Shift key down, and I'm going to use my arrow key, and I'm going to go across, and you can just hit copy up here or Command C, which I just clicked, and now I'm going to place it at the beginning of this measure. I could do paste or Command V. So I just clicked it there, and notice that it just added, and it also added another measure here, which I'm not going to need at this moment. So there's my little teardrop. It's here. I'm going to delete that measure, remove that measure. Now it leaves me with 4 measures. Okay, now let's listen to the pattern. Oh, notice that the teardrop is in the last measure, so that's where it's going to start from. So I'm going to click on the first note and then press play, or you can also do it from here. Now don't duplicate my pattern. Do your own pattern, okay? And be creative.